Hi everyone. So earlier this year, we learned about what scientists do. And scientists learn and discover new things. And in this class, we are all scientists. We do experiments together, we learn new things, we discover new things. So whether you're in the classroom, you're outdoors, you're at home, it doesn't matter. You can be a scientist whenever, wherever you are. And I can't wait to do experiments with you. Before we get started, I'd like to review what scientists do. So earlier this year, we went through all of these and we learned what scientists actually do. The first thing they do, they ask questions. The last science lesson, the life cycle of a ladybug, we asked questions. Y'all completed the activity and y'all told me, I wonder how long the life cycle takes. I wonder how the ladybug lays her eggs. You asked all of these questions, and that's what a scientist does. They ask questions. And the second thing, they make predictions. They predict. Do y'all remember what that's called? A hypothesis. So they predict. Third, they observe and measure. And remember, we use our 5 senses to make observations and to observe. We use our sense of sight. We use our sense of smell. We use our sense of hearing. We use our sense of touch. And sometimes we use our sense of taste. And then we also measure. We use tools like balance scales and weights and rulers, all kinds of tools and skills to observe and measure. After that, we write down all of the information that we learn. And then we talk to one another. We talk to our family, our friends, our classmates. You can talk to me. You let me know, let each other know. We talk about what we find. So today, we are going to do our own experiment. And we're going to do all the things that a scientist does. We're going to ask questions. We're going to make a prediction. Then we're going to use our 5 senses. Maybe not all 5, but we're definitely going to use our sense of sight to make observations, and then we're going to complete the experiment and write it all down. Y'all ready? So, my question is, what happens when you mix colors? If you'd like to follow along, we just have a bunch of clear plastic cups. Food coloring, I'm using blue, yellow, and red. And then also, I have a big cup and a tiny little spoon so that I can mix and then also use clean water. But you're going to want to take 3 cups, fill them with water, and then leave the other 3 empty. I had a little bit of water. It's supposed to be empty. And the question is, remember, what happens when you mix colors? We're going to use the materials to help us find out. So after we ask our question, we make a prediction. So what do you think will happen when we mix colors? This red and this yellow. What do you think will happen if we mix these 2 colors? Do you think it will turn a different color? Do you think the colors will turn clear? Do you think they'll turn blue? Let's look and see. So first, I'm going to pour some red. And then I'm going to take yellow and pour some yellow. And our handy dandy spoon. Mix it up, mix it up. What color do we have? We have red. We have yellow. We have orange. So what happens when we mix red and yellow? We get orange. So next, we're going to take the blue. Just like 2 drops. Don't overdo it, especially blue, because you can see It is powerful. It also matches my dress. Okay, so again, we have red, blue, and yellow. And now we also have orange. Take one of your empty cups. We're going to pour a little bit of blue. And then before we pour yellow, I want you to think and ask a question. What color do you think we'll get when we pour yellow into the blue? What color do you think? We need to make a prediction or a hypothesis. So red and yellow made orange. Yellow and blue might make one of my favorite colors. Can you see it? Green. So yellow and blue make green. I'm going to put a little bit more yellow in. I ran out. I'm going to mix it up again. And last but not least, red and blue. I have to get it really close. You see the blue? So what do you think will happen when we mix red with blue? Let's see. Pour a little bit of blue, just a little bit, and then we'll pour red. Whoa, it's dark. I think we need more red. You can barely see it in this light, but it's purple. So now we started with red, yellow, and blue. And after mixing colors, we also have green, orange, and purple. Now that we've done the experiment, feel free to do it at home if you have the materials. I would love to see videos of y'all mixing colors and completing the experiment. But also, go ahead and click the link and go complete your activity for the day.